Let's go ahead and talk about smart filters. So in the previous lesson, we went over the filter gallery and the fact that you can apply filter gallery filters to your layers, but then it's permanent or destructive, as I like to call it. So now I want to show you the power of smart filters. And when you apply a filter to a smart object, it becomes what is called a smart filter. And you can edit or remove a smart filter at any time. You can apply multiple smart filters to the same smart object. You can also edit the smart filter mask, which is created automatically, and change the stacking order of the smart filters. So for robot 1 in our layers panel and robot 2, we applied filter gallery filters, which were permanent. So let's go ahead and highlight robot 3 in our filter gallery. And this time we're going to apply it using smart filters. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to change our robot 3 layer to a smart object. And the way that we do that is we go up to filter, drop down menu, and we highlight this option right here that says convert for smart filters. And once I choose that option, I want you to notice that this little icon has appeared in my robot 3 layer in the bottom right corner. And this is letting us know visually that this is now a smart object, which means we can apply smart filters. Now, let's go ahead and go back up to our filter gallery, very much like we did previously. However, now we're going to be applying filters to a smart object. So go up to filter, filter gallery, ... The previous filters that we used are still here, but we can change them. So let's go ahead and click on the mosaic tile filter, and let's expand the artistic file folder right here, and let's go ahead and click on plastic wrap, which will replace the mosaic filter. So now I have a neon glow filter and a plastic wrap filter. And let's go ahead and click OK. Now, notice in the layers panel that we have some information now attached to robot 3. We have a mask. We have this mask being called smart filters, and we also have a filter gallery option here listed, which you can hide and reveal all of this. And it'll show you how the robot appears in its original state and how it appears when you have the filter applied. If you double click on this word filter gallery, you can quickly open up your filter gallery panel again, which is really easy and great. This time we're going to select our neon glow filter. If you have plastic wrap selected, it'll look like this. If you have neon glow selected, your neon glow panel options will appear. And this time let's change our glow color to red this time. So I'm going to go ahead and put in these numbers. I'm going to put in red 240, green 25, and blue 85. And I'm going to click OK. And I've just changed my robot to red. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. So I now have a red plastic wrap robot. In the layers panel, I want you to notice one other little option that's really great about smart filters is you have the option to also apply blending modes here. You'll see the blending mode icon is right here in the bottom right corner of our smart filters layer for the robot 3. If you roll over it, you'll see it says double click to edit filter blending options. So go ahead and let's click on that. And our blending options will appear. What I want you to do is I want you to click and drag your slider to 60%. So we're bringing that the opacity of those filters down so that a little bit of the original robot colors and textures peek through. And go ahead and you can check the preview button. So that's what it looks like before you apply the opacity. and this is what it looks like after. Go ahead and click OK. So again, the great thing about smart filters is that you can turn them on and off. So go ahead and turn off the smart filter option on robot 3. We're back to our original robot. However, if you want it to appear again, you can just click the visibility icon again and bring it back. So that is the strength of smart filters when applied to smart objects, because they're non-destructive and you can apply multiple filters and really play with your effects and change them easily. So go ahead and keep this image open for the next lesson where we're going to focus on the masking option of smart filters.